related to math, and name of exercise is 1000 chain. 1000 chain, name of exercise. You can see here it is 1000 chain. 100 bars of tens are joined here to make 1000 chain. Okay, so you can see these tens are joined here. Okay, with the help of hook these are joined. Okay, now in this exercise you are going to have one cube of 1000 as well as, and this is square of 100. Okay, this one is square of 100, and you are going to take 10 squares of 100. 10 squares of 100, 1 cube of 1000. You can see here it is 1 cube of 1000 and 1 chain of 1000. Then it is counter. For counting purpose you can have this one. Okay, it is made up of plastic. Okay, a box that contains labels. Okay, labels are placed here. Labels or tickets. These are called labels or tickets. Okay, in 1000 chain you are going to have tickets or labels of units. Units are from 1 to 9. So these narrow arrows, these are in the form of arrows. Okay, you can see this is pointed and it is like arrow. Okay, and green in color for units. From 1 to 9 you are going to have these. Next you are going to have labels which are blue in color. These are wider than the labels of units, and these blue labels are representing tens. From 10 to 90 you are going to have these labels. Okay, units are from 1 to 9, and for tens blue labels are prepared from 10 to 90. Okay, I am going to place here, all these labels are placed here from 10 to 90, blue in color for tens. Then comes red. Red labels are representing 100, and here you are going to prepare from 100 to 900. Okay, then the category changes. That is why you are going to have 9 labels of hundreds, red in color, and these are wider than the labels of tens, than the blue labels. Okay, 100 you can see it is arrow, red in color, on which 100 is written. Then next one is 200, then comes 300, 400. So all red in color are for hundreds, 100 to 900. Then comes label of 1000, that is green in color. The category of 1000 is always green in color, and it is wider than the hundreds. This label is wider than the 100 label. Okay, direct aim of this exercise is the child is going to learn in a mechanical way. He is going to learn counting linearly from 1 to 1000. So he is going to learn a mechanical procedure of counting through this 1000 chain linearly, counting from 1 to 1000. Okay, indirect aims, the child is going to learn that how many units are there in 1000, how many tens are there in 1000, how many hundreds are there in 1000. He will also learn to do forward counting and then backward counting as well as through this exercise. Okay, so it is all about the aims of this exercise: control of error, previous knowledge of the child, and the directress. Age group is 4.5 to 5 years. After spreading out mat, we have to lay out 1000 chain with the help of the child. Child can help you for doing this. Okay, this is chain. Starting from this point, from the left side, you are going to start, and 1000 cube you are going to take it with you. Okay, now this is box, okay, for labels. I am going to make the child start counting the beads in the first bar of this long chain. Okay, child is going to start counting. The child is going to count 1. Then you will say the child, okay, place its label below this one. As the child has done previously 100 chains, so he knows how to place the labels under the beads. Okay, 1, 2. The child is counting and the child is putting labels. You can guide the child to put the label below the bead. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Third label. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four, 5. 5, 6. 6, 7. 7, 8. 8, 9. 9, 10. Put the label 10. Okay. Now the child will continue counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Make the child to put its label below the bead 20. Okay. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The child is counting. Remember this, that the child is counting. Okay, you are not counting. You are helping the child in putting the labels where he has to put, but the child is only counting. Okay, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And if the child has forgot counting at any point, you are there to tell the child what comes the next. Okay, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, then 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Then you will give the child and say the child, we have completed 100. Okay. Now say the child to continue counting. 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Okay, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159 and 160. Okay, 161, 162, 163, 160, 4, 160, 5, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 170, 4, 175, 176, 170. 7, 178, 170, 9, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199. 200. Here you are going to say the child, okay, now we have completed one more 100. One more 100 is completed now. Place 100 here. Okay, under the label. Okay, here you can see 300. Okay, after 200, 300 is completed. One more square is placed here below the label of 300. Okay, now I can continue counting. To count 301 and then the child is going to count 301, 302, 303, he will continue counting up to 400. Then you are going to give the child here label 400 to place it here. You can see this is label 400. The child is going to place it here under the bead 400. Then give the child and say, now one more 100 is completed. Okay, the child is going to place this sphere under the label 400. Okay, then the child is going to continue counting 401, 402, 403 and he will reach 500. Okay, here the child will reach 500 beat. Give the child label 500 to place it here. Now you are going to sit here below the label 500 and say the child one more 100 is completed here. Make the child to continue linearly 501, 502, 503. He will continue the counting up to 600. Okay, when he will reach the beat 600, you will give the child label 600 to put it here below the beat 600. Give the child one more square to place it here and tell the child one more 100 is completed now. Now you will make the child to continue counting 601, 602, 603, 604, 605. He will continue the counting up to 700. Okay. At 700, you are going to give the child label 700 to put it here below the beat. And now give the child this square and to place it here. Say the child to continue counting 701, 702, 703, 704. The child will continue counting up to 800 linearly. Okay. Say the child to put one more square below the label 800. Tell the child we have completed one more 100 here. The child will continue counting 801, 802, 803. He will continue counting linearly from 800 to 900. He will reach here at 900. Give the child label 900 to put it here below the beat. And then say the child to put its square of 100. One more 100 we have completed. Say the child to put this here under the beat. Okay. Now you are going to make the child to continue counting 901, 902, 903, 904, 905. He will continue counting and he will reach 1000. Make the child to continue counting 901, 902. He will continue counting linearly and at the end he will reach 1000. Reaching there, give the child this label 1000. To place it, you can see this is 1000. To place it here below the beat. Okay. Now give the child one square. Okay, here you can, after placing this, you are going to place 1000 cube below the square. Okay. There is 1000 label, then one square of 100 and then 1000 cube is placed. Now you are going to ask the child how many beads are there in this chain. The child will tell you 1000. Okay, nice. And now you are going to make the child first to read the labels in forward way with you walking forward along with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. We are going to read the labels in backward way. Okay, 1000, 900, 800, 700, 600, 500, 400, 300, 200, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.